this character Ramchandar, he has no boundaries. He has boundaries only with his father and with his girlfriend.
We make a conscious choice to emote through different departments, whether it's makeup, costume, whether it is cinematography, lighting, or sing sound.
That's the beauty of the character arc of Swarupakka, that as ambitious she is, I think she comes from a good place.
That was the idea, to make me look like a typical villager. So I think that worked out pretty well.
Whenever I heard about any character, I'll just ask him what is his boundaries.
Welcome guys on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nice to see you.
And congratulations for Ramula. I've heard the name Ramula so much in the last few days. The Netflix team, they have been coordinating with me. I've seen the film and it's like Ramula all the time. So I'm sure that other people are going to have similar thoughts once they watch the film. So Lakshmi, I'll come to you first. As I was telling you that it's like a deliciously villainous character that you are playing, rather heartless and ambitious. What was your preparation like?
What do you mean? It was really. I thought she was playing such a sweet character. She was so honest and genuine in trying to help Ramula and, trying to get back at the guy who was trying to cheat her. But as you see, she is ambitious. And that's the beauty of the character arc of Swarupakka, that as ambitious she is, I think she comes from a good place, Little does she know that how the turn of events take place. And a lot of people have been asking me as a woman, no, I think as anybody who's ambitious and who wants to, you're looking for the next opportunity, right? To seize the moment. And I think that's what she did as well.
All right. Now, Tarun, what I really enjoyed about the film was the fact that, which is a beautiful quality for almost any film, you are having an element of humor, even in serious situations. The way you have utilized music is absolutely amazing. The way you have utilized the supporting star cast and their reactions to certain things which are going on is something which is absolutely fascinating. How important is it for you as a director to have a film within a film, in terms of you're just saying certain things through that cinematic language, which makes it so layered in many ways, and it's not a common practice in a lot of films that I have seen in India.
Right. So that's what, sir. As in, for me, it was always about speaking through the different departments. Now, we've had creative collaborations on each department, and I feel that this is a visual medium, and we cannot just rely on dialogues and just the activity. We have to speak through cinematography as well. So the choice of lens, whether we are moving the camera ahead or whether we're using a certain kind of lens to accentuate a certain feeling, all these are pre-production work, and that is where the film is actually made. So when we sit down as a team, the cinematographer has some inputs, and we make a conscious choice to emote through different departments, whether it's makeup, costume, whether it is cinematography, lighting, or sing sound. So we make conscious choices as to how to design everything and put it together. And most of the time it works. This adds a lot of layers of realism to that film. So the last thing I rely on is dialogue, because I work with the actors for the dialogue. If it comes from an honest place, they have to say it. If they don't feel like saying it, I completely change the dialogue as well. So this kind of filmmaking, I've learnt along the way. And I've learnt along the way because I've never done ADing in a film here in the industry. And unknowingly, there were some norms that we broke. But this is the kind of filmmaking that I like. And OTT, they've given us the wings to go ahead and explore that. And in 30 minutes, we could do whatever we could. So yeah.
No, even the way the red chilies have been utilized, I think that's beautiful. When she's walking on those red chilies, Sanve is walking on those red chilies, even that is a statement in its own way, and that's been displayed so beautiful. Sanve, congratulations, fantastic performance. Many a times, I don't know how often it happens, but a protagonist looks beautiful, not because of her physicality, but the personality that she's bringing to the table, the way she slaps her boyfriend.
Yes.
That in itself is so attractive.
He really got slapped
attitude.
pretty hard.
It is the attitude.
He's owned
the way
by me.
She's taunting him to be a man enough. That is so attractive. and that makes it like that she is in control.
Right, right.
Tell us something about the preparation part of it. How do you really became?
You need to
What you
double
become.
congratulate her because this is her debut.
She's a complete pro, and I think a fantastic debut.
Thank you so
What a
much.
find.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely, seriously.
Thanks to him.
So
Yeah.
she said she'll give me 10% in every next film that she's acting in. So
He's
that's why we
he's
chose
been
this.
doing that. He's been telling everybody the same thing. He's reminding me, right?
Maybe because there is no reference point for you. You know, when I'm looking at you right now, you're looking like a very attractive woman, but in the film, you actually look like someone from a village. And this I think the director, you yourself, great job. Tell us about the
That was
preparation.
that was the idea to make me look like a typical villager. So I think that worked out pretty well.
So that's what I think we had a discussion. She was supposed to do another role where she was supposed to be fair. So that's what she auditioned for. So then immediately when we decided that she's got the persona to fit into the main character, we had to completely reroute our pre-production plan, and then we had to de-glam her to a certain extent to
To make
get
me
her
look like
fitter.
that. Yeah.
No, but I think it's fantastic. I'm sure that you guys will be getting great reviews for the entire I think transformation, the way you've portrayed her. All right, so Naveen, tell us more about yourself. You know, I loved your character. It is so hilarious. Like he's someone who can be slightly dumb, but he's the one who emerges as the man who stands up against his father, and it's so ironical how things turn out. And it's a fabulous character. It's like a lot of fun. It's entertaining. It is humorous. His body language is very interesting. What was your process like for working on this?
First of all, thank you so much for that. Whenever I heard about any character, I'll just ask him what is his boundaries, so that I can act, I can think about the character while I am performing, because I don't think much before the shoot. I only think when the shoot happens, because I'll be in the character, I can imagine. So this character Ramchandar, he has no boundaries. He has boundaries only with his father and with his girlfriend. He can't overtake his father, he can't talk anything against his girlfriend, he has to listen her. She'll beat him and he can't do anything. He's such a dumb fellow. But this guy thinks like he can do anything. So that character itself, he can do whatever he wants to. So I have limitless boundaries. So I performed like, the character. What should say? I improvised many times, but Tarun didn't say me anything, because that improvisation it enhanced the character very well. So he gave me that option, and I tried my best. And the character itself is like that. Like anybody can perform Ramchandar, I guess. Like if you understand the character.
No, I don't think it is that easy. Whose idea was it to give that that lift of the hair?
Well, a lot of people have been asking that. In fact, we had a discussion, and that's the best part. I mean, at least in this film, what happened was the actors actually sat down and they did their homework on the character. Lakshmi ma'am or Sanvi or Abhay, they drew in inspirations from their walks of life, and they put it all on paper first. And then we had a little bit of rehearsals and training for every actor, and that kind of showed through on the screen as well. So even when Abhay was talking to me, he said he had a huge head of hair. So I thought we'll trim it down, because I don't know if it's too shabby or whatever. And then Abhay suddenly said, okay, let's see if we can do something with this hair, and said, okay, do this. And then he did that, and I was like, oh wow, this is great, because I had a reference, T. Rajendra sir's film, some old Tamil films that I've watched. It was damn funny. And Abhay also had certain mannerisms that he borrowed from his friend that he had. He said, Tarun, can I do this? I said, that's phenomenal. And the speed at which he talks also we altered. Generally, Abhay speaks very slowly and very calmly. But I have a friend who talks really fast. As in, he says, sort of like, I don't get out. And you don't understand what he's saying, but you get his emotion. So I said, Abhay, try doing that. And he immediately picked it up like that. So I think it was a very, very nice process. The film actually was done even before we started shooting.